Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a 4-drawer dresser that we're going to bring back to life. Or try to, right? My supervisor will be there to support me or yell at me. Let's get it done. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the hardware off. We're going to pull the drawers out, make sure everything's nice and tight, see if there's any subframe issues. We've already put some wood putty in, and we're going to be sanding that off. The piece is not in the best of shape. You can see there's veneer missing, and the little decor piece is gone. And well, we're going to try to make the best out of it, see what we can do at the end here. I think we're going to paint it maybe a light gray. So let's get the hardware off. We can then start assessing it and getting it ready for sanding. Ready? You're not going to help me, are you? Alright, we got the hardware off. We know those pieces are going to need a lot of sanding. The handles weren't on very tight, so they had been scraping and twirling. So we're going to have to get rid of all those marks so when we paint, we don't see those. For the frame, good frame. Back legs look like they've been glued together before, so we're going to sand them down as much as we can, make them look as good as we can, and they are structurally sound. What we got, supervisor? I know, I'm not taking a break. Getting right back to work, I promise. The sanding will happen. Which we'll start on. Got my DeWalt sander, 80 grit sandpaper. What we're going to do is we're just going to go over the piece, knock anything that's loose off, make sure it's smooth. We just want something for the paint to really grip to. So we'll get all the wood putty off. We'll do the best that we can. This is an old piece. It's had a rough life, but we're going to try to save it. So sand, then we'll work on the drawers, sanding those out. So, are you gonna sand? No? Okay. Dust mask for you? No? Alright, we're going to try something here. We're going to try staining the drawers, see how they come out. Some of the veneer is missing, so we'll see how it stains and looks. Give it a try. It's a vintage piece. Maybe we can work it in with the scuff marks of the product when we paint it. So, or if it doesn't work, we paint the drawers. So let's give it a try. Old rag. Got my Miniwax dark walnut. Alright, so it's all vacuumed out, ready to go for painting. We did the drawers. I think they're going to be fine, so we're just going to do the frame. Saves us a lot of time, and well, let's get it done. We're going to use a light gray, still using our wedge, Worcester angled brush. 2 coats, scuff it up a little bit, give it a little vintage look, and then we'll be done with this project. Ready? I'll do it from here. Alright, this step can be skipped if you don't want that scuffed up vintage look and you just want it to be solid. Move on to waxing it or putting the hardware in and finishing the piece off. But with vintage statements here, we're going to scuff it up a little bit, give it a worn in look, and it'll help with the look of those drawers, finishing them off and such. So, got my old sandpaper that I use to sand the piece down, still good. Just going to go around, scuff it up a little bit, give it a little worn in look. So, let's begin. Alright, here it is completed. Dark walnut stain, light gray. Then we scuffed it up, gave it a vintage look. I think it came out pretty cool compared to what it looked like to start with. And, well, even as a new piece. If you like this piece and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram. And I'm really enjoying all the great comments you guys are putting out. And I'm taking them into effect, making it even better each time we do a video. So hopefully you guys see that too.